TPS Miner here. Welcome back to the TPS Miner channel. Today I wanted to spend a little time talking about the efficiency of our graphics cards. You know, we hear a lot of talk recently about the merge, Ethereum 2.0, and what that means for the future of mining. And, you know, we also have a lot of people asking questions about what graphics cards should they be buying for mining. And, you know, I think the most common thing that I hear is people talking about the dollar per mega hash. You know, how much are we paying per mega hash for our graphics cards? And I think that's a great metric. But, you know, as we start talking about Ethereum 2.0, the merge, and, you know, there is some concern about what to do when the bear market hits. You know, it's not just all about the cost per mega hash. We also need to look at the efficiency of the cards that we're using for mining. And so what I did is I went ahead and I looked at my own graphics cards and the hash rate that I'm able to get for each of those cards, the power consumption, the efficiency. You know, you can see here, I put together an estimate of what I think the different cards that I personally own would cost if I were to go out and buy them today in today's market, and calculated out a price per mega hash. But I put in a new column here that I wanted to talk about today, and this is really our efficiency cost, or really an efficiency expense, I guess. And what this is a metric that is the price of the graphics card. So it's a dollar per mega hash per watt metric. And this really interested me and really, quite honestly, surprised me. You know, when we talk price per mega hash, we look at, for example, the 3070 Ti. It's an LHR card, but we can still get almost 60 mega hash, right just below 60 mega hash. And these are my numbers that I pulled from my own HiveOS, from my own rigs, so my own cards. So yeah, my 3070 Ti, I'm able to get almost 60 mega hash, but it's 176 watts in software. And again, these numbers are the numbers that are being reported in HiveOS. These are not numbers measured from the wall. So while they may not be 100% accurate, they are at least an apples to apples comparison for each of the different cards. And I did break them up in between NVIDIA and the AMD cards. For those of you that do have experience with AMD cards, you know that the power readings we get in software are much less accurate than what you get from the NVIDIA cards. So again, apples to apples comparisons, but you can see our efficiency numbers. The LHR cards are, of course, going to be less efficient. The 20 series and the 1660 series cards are all pretty efficient. I do have a couple of 1060s that are much less efficient, but also much less expensive to buy in today's market. So a 3070 Ti LHR, $1,000. You can find them for this price if you hunt for them. 3060 LHR for $600. You might be able to find one a bit cheaper if you go and look, for example, on Zotac. They may be a little bit more expensive than this, but a rough estimate of $600. 2070 Supers, these are a bit harder to find, but Facebook Marketplace, in my local area, I'm seeing them for around $650. Some are higher, some a little lower. I think the ones that are a little lower may be a little scammy, maybe. I don't know. 2060 Super for $600, I think, is very realistic. A 2060 for $500. 1660 Supers are around $400, at least in my local area. So again, just my estimates of cost. But again, now we go over to this new column, the efficiency cost or efficiency expense, dollar per mega hash per watt. A 3070 Ti LHR, $1,000 card, your efficiency cost is $29.35, which is quite high. The 3060 LHR, you know, you're getting them for a much lower cost. You're also getting a lower hash rate, but a significantly lower power consumption as well. So your efficiency cost is much lower. The 2070 Super, at $15.57. Again, you're getting a good hash rate, a decent power consumption, but you're paying $650 for that card. So the 2060 Super and the 2060s, the efficiency on my cards, I'm getting this, 47.5% efficiency, and between $500 and $600, my price per mega hash at 1340, 1480, and my efficiency cost, they just keep getting lower and lower. And then you hit the 1660 Super, you're getting 32 mega hash at 70 watts, great efficiency, a good price point. Your price per mega hash is $12.50, but your efficiency cost is down to $8.74. Now, this is, keep in mind, just for Ethereum. If you would like to see me run similar numbers for my cards for the different algorithms, please let me know in the comments below. I really would be interested to see, once Ethereum does go proof of stake and we move to different algorithms, what's my efficiency cost going to be if I start mining, Ravencoin or Ergo or Flux? It's really going to help me understand where the best place for my cards is going to be for an efficiency cost. And they may not all end up in the same coin or the same algorithm. Some of these may be more efficient on certain algorithms than they are for others. So again, if that's something you'd like to see, please let me know in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to take these cards off and try them on different algorithms and come up with these efficiency cost numbers. The AMDs, of course, the 6600, we're only seeing 46 watts power draw and software. We're getting around 28.5 mega hash. So from an AMD perspective, super high efficiency, $450 price point, so $7.27 for an efficiency cost. But how good is a 6600 on Ravencoin? I'm not sure. I haven't tested it, but I would be happy to do so for all the viewers. Again, same thing with my 580 8 gig cards. Great hash rate on Ethereum. Power and software at 79 watts. Much lower efficiency, and you can see that reflected in the efficiency cost. So again, just wanted to take some time, share this information with you. Maybe something that would be worthwhile for yourselves to go ahead and just punch these numbers into a spreadsheet quickly and see what your efficiency costs are. Very useful information for me. It was very enlightening, and just wanted to share this with everyone. So thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give us a thumbs up, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing to the channel, and we'll see about getting additional content like this on different algorithms if you have something you're interested in. All right, thanks again for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.